protein-dense Greek yogurt or centuries-old curd? Which one should you go for? And what's the difference between Greek yogurt and curd anyway? This video will tell you all that. But first, can you guess between Greek yogurt and curd? Which one has more protein? Well, take your time. I'm giving you 3 seconds. Well, the correct answer is Greek yogurt. And not just by 1 gram or 2 grams. Greek yogurt actually has double the protein as curd. And why is that? The difference is in how these two are made. Greek yogurt and curd are made the same way, using the same ingredients. But the only difference is that Greek yogurt has an extra step. All the way, as in the watery part of milk that remains after the formation of curd is drained out, and you are left with a thicker yogurt. Because of this reason, a Greek yogurt packs in more protein than regular curd. And exactly because of this reason, it is more expensive. Because it uses more milk. The differences don't end there. Greek yogurt also has less calories than curd. But both pack an equal punch when it comes to probiotics. But there's a big misconception that eating all those fancy Greek yogurt flavors is a healthy choice. I mean, sure it is. But all that extra flavoring also means extra added sugar. Surely that mango flavored or berry flavored yogurt isn't going to make your waist thinner. Another big factor to consider is that mostly Greek yogurt is available in stores. And you can easily make curd at home by using leftover curd. Just add some warm milk to it, and then to get the fermentation going, just add the zing of a lemon that triggers the fermentation process and generates tons of good healthy bacteria, which is great for the gut. So, you can be rest assured that homemade curd is absolutely free of preservatives. But can you be sure of store-bought Greek yogurt being free from them? Well, not so much. Here's another food for thought. About 60 to 65% of Indians are thought to be lactose intolerant. All those people might find it easier to consume curd than Greek yogurt. Now, this is because curd supports the digestive system of a lactose intolerant person with its probiotics more. When it comes to the battle between Greek yogurt and curd, there's no clear winner. Basically, you should opt for what suits you in terms of price, preservative tolerance, and of course, fitness goals. Whichever one you choose, both are a gift to your health. Well, so is this space. So don't forget to come back to us for more such content.